Hi everyone, Liz here, thank you for stopping by. So I've done a bit of a thing. Something that I said I wouldn't do. I've bought another advent calendar. And this one, as you can see, has come from Diamond Painting Deutschland. So, yeah, I've not had anything from that company at all. I know they do the huge diamond paintings with the huge amount of numbers in, and big diamond paintings at the moment aren't really my thing. I like to get things done and get a quick hit, as it were, and a quick, oh, I've finished this and I love it. So big paintings aren't for me at the moment, but I never say never. I never say never. And somebody did an unboxing on an advent calendar, and I didn't watch it because I don't want any spoilers. I don't want to know what's in it. I think they did actually open the whole of the advent calendar now to show you what was in it. But it did look very intriguing, and on the website it does actually show you sort of sneak peeks of what's in each day, and I thought, oh, that looks really, really good. Now, it's been a very expensive little whim late night purchase. I think it was about 3 o'clock in the morning when I ordered this one, because I was worried about hubby and I wasn't sleeping. And so this is a cheer up and hopefully not a buyer's remorse. I will be opening each day on camera, so keep watching for December from the 1st to the 24th. We will be opening each one, albeit I've got a funny feeling this one might have a 25th as well, but we'll have a look. So it was in euros, with it being Germany, and it was 134.41 euros, and there was 25 euros, shipping on it as well. And I've converted that this morning. 159.41 euros is £132.99. So I said to hubby, this will be my Christmas present, and he said, that's fine. He never knows what to buy me anyway, so it'll be a bit of fun showing everybody as well. So I may actually open it with hubby. Not that he'll know what a lot of the diamond painting things are. Maybe I could teach him, maybe I can get him involved. But yeah, it's come in this huge box, and it came within a week as well. In fact, I think it's 5 days. I can't quite remember because it did come while I was at the hospital with hubby, and one of the neighbours took it in for me and he brought it across. And you know when you see your neighbour stood at the door with a big box and you think, what have I ordered? I don't know what I was expecting it to come like, but it is huge. No wonder it was 25 euros postage. It is enormous, and it does weigh quite a bit as well. So let's get into this and have a look. I'm going to open it from the bottom, so I'm not quite sure which way up we're going to be with any of it, or how it comes, whether it's going to be in another package or another box or anything. So let us have a look. It did look very, very good on the couple of videos that I saw. Right, let me just go and get an empty box to put it in, and I'll put it in day order as well. Right, if I try and keep it in day order as I'm going along, then hopefully I'll keep it in day order for opening them. Famous last words. Okay, so let's have a look. I could really do with my camera a bit higher up, but never mind. So we've got some packing paper. Okay. Oh, look at this. Look at these. These are wonderful. So they're all paper bags, it looks like. And, oh, this is number 2. So we've got lovely printed numbers on there. I'm not going to try and squidge any of them. What can I do? Let me just... Okay, that's better. So I've taped the box lid back a bit there, look. So you can still sort of see into it and see me reaching in there, but we've got a bit of space here to have a look. So number 2, these bags are lovely. Look, they're all gusseted at the bottom. They're like the ones that you get your McDonald's or your KFC in, aren't they? And strangely enough, even though it's come from Germany, it does say Merry Christmas, and we've got naughty or nice there, and joy to all, and ho 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 on the bags. So yeah, unless they've got English bags and not English bags. Oh, that does feel like a photo frame. Stop it, Liz, we're not supposed to be squidging. Oh, you stay stuck. Come on, sellotape, don't be playing me up today. So yeah, look at that. Aren't they good? So that's number 2. So we need number 1 first. We need number 1. Oh, that's number 1. So number 2 was on top of number 1. That feels quite squidgy. They are quite full. It's full right to there. So yeah, these are looking pretty good. And it says Bloom Dye or Dye DP Manufacture, I think it says. Anybody that can read German will do that a lot better than I can. So yeah, look at that. So they're all in these lovely bags. Ooh. I must admit I am wanting to open them now, but I'm not going to. And is the next one number 3 then? No, that's number 4. So, oh, and that's number 8. Okay, that's a big one, look. And number 4 is a smaller one. Ooh, we want number 3 next. Let's see, that's number 9. That's number 6. Oh, right, I'm just going to take these out then. As you can see, they're all in the same bags. And I know it's going to be a bit boring just looking at all these bags, but I'm going to put them in order. And just have a look at what sizes we've got. So we've got 8 and 9. Okay. I'm hoping it's going to be well worth the money. It does seem as though we've got quite a few different bits and pieces in these. I'm trying not to squidge, but it's just so hard. You just have to squidge a parcel when you get one. What can I say? Are you like me? Did you used to squidge everything that was underneath the Christmas tree? Oh, that's number 17. Oh, that's a box. That's a box. Right, we've still not found number 3 yet. Okay. Number 15. Right. Ooh, I hope we haven't got one missing. Number 14. Oh, that fit. Oh, I wish there was squidgy vision so you could feel these things that I can feel. Or maybe not. Oh, that's number 20. So we have 24 of these great bags to be looking in and opening. And I must admit, I am wanting to do it now. 22. Oh, that one feels a bit materially. Ooh. So I'm thinking that these are all going to like your projects and things. Oh, number 13 is a little long thin one, look. I do love these little bags though. You know me, I'm going to be keeping these bags. So, oh, there's number 5, look. Oh, that's a small thin one. Ooh. Oh, all sorts of things in these. We still need number 3. Come in, number 3. Oh, that's number 16. Oh, that one. Oh, I know what that one feels like. I'm not going to squidge anymore. It's making Christmas very interesting. And then we've got number 7 and number 10. So let's just put those there for now. Oh. And then number 21. It's another square one. So there's certainly plenty in these bags. And it's well packaged. I'm loving all these little packets. And 18 and 19. So 16. 17, 18, 19. That's 13. Ooh. A real good mixture of sizes as well and different things that are going to be in these, I think. Number 23. So that's in the 20s. And oh, there's number 3. Oh, so number 3. Oh, yeah, I think you can possibly tell from this that it's like a square thing. So yeah, you can maybe, oh, it's a drum. So that's number 3. And number 4. Number 5. And number 6. Right, number 7. Did we say number 7 here? We did. Number 7. So it's quite a good mixture. As I'm putting it into the box, I'm sorry you can't see. I should have done it with the camera a lot higher. But yeah, there's a real good mix of opening bigger ones and smaller ones and heavier ones and lighter ones. So yeah, we've got a real good lot of fun going to be going on for Christmas. And you know, if you've been with me a while, you'll know I absolutely love my Christmas. So that's number 10 and number 11. Okay. And then these were the teenies as well. So we want, where's number 12? Oh, look. Oh, wow, I'm looking for number 12. It's a diamond painting. Look at that. Oh, wow. So number 12 is a diamond painting to do. Wow. Okay. Oh, Schliebe zum Detail. Diamond Painting Deutschland. Wow. Okay. So it is all in German, but it does give you pictures as well. But we've no clue as to what this is. So on the 12th of December, we're going to be opening a diamond painting to see what it is. And that's quite a big one as well. How big is this box? Let me get out the tape measure and have a look. So we are 19 inches, which is 48 centimetres is the box. We're looking at a reasonable size diamond painting. That's quite a nice size box there. Very good. Oh, I wasn't expecting a diamond painting in it as well. Oh, so we'll get to see the toolkit and everything in this. Excellent. Okay, and then we've got number 13, which is a very heavy one again. And number 14. 15, 16. See, it's a really good mix of opening a bigger one and then opening a little bit smaller one. And yeah, I'm really excited now. Here's me thinking, I don't want Christmas to come so fast because I've still got loads to do. And then I'm also thinking, I want to get to the 1st of December so I can start opening these. And number 19. And then number 20 I think we had here. Number 20 is a big one. And 21, 22 and 23. Woo! And then the last one in this huge box is number 24. Look at that. That's a real package. All the bottoms filled up there as well. So wow. Ooh, so that's quite a big box. So that's lovely. So there is the 24, but we've got lots of little packages and big packages and a diamond painting as well. So yeah, it is a high price. I will admit £133 is a lot of money. But yeah, I just thought, oh well, I need cheering up. Hubby's in hospital, Millie Mo's giving me cuddles, and I'm going to spend some money. If I hadn't have been looking at it at 3 o'clock in the morning, I might not have pressed that pay now button. But looking, I do think we've got quite a few good little parcels here. So 133 divided by 24 is about £5.50 a parcel. So yeah, let's see, we've got different size parcels. So we've got smaller ones and then we've got bigger ones, and then we have got a diamond painting. So it's probably going to average out that you're getting more than £5.50's worth on each one. I am going to guess that these are possibly diamond painting pens, which may or may not reach the £5.50 mark. But certainly, I mean, you wouldn't get a diamond painting from Diamond Painting Deutschland for £5.50. Not that I can imagine anyway. I know they do the very intricate paintings and things. So yeah, I'm very, very pleased with this, to be honest. I'm still sort of, oh no, I can't believe I spent all that money. But then I'm also, oh well, I've spent the money. It is Christmas, and as I say, I'll probably have it as my Christmas present from hubby, because he's always saying, what can I get you for Christmas? So yay, bought me 24 little packages that I'm going to open before Christmas. Okay, as I say, there is, I'll try and find the link and put the lady down and link her YouTube channel where she fully unboxes all of these and shows you what you get. I would think some of them may not be the exact same one, you know, like if you are getting a pen or a tray or whatever, it might not be exactly the same colour that she's got. I don't know. I've not had an advent calendar like this, and I've not had anything from Diamond Painting Deutschland before. So it may be the same, it may not. But yeah, if you do want spoilers to see what all these things are, then obviously do go and have a look. But otherwise, yeah, you'll have to wait along with me. And we're going to have a look from the 1st to the 24th of December to see what we get. And fingers crossed I will be able to do a video each day showing you what we get. I'm not planning. I don't plan anymore. Okay, well, let me know what you think. I hope you've enjoyed looking at this with me. I'm sorry, it's just been looking at packages, really. But, yeah, it's been a little bit exciting. It's got me in the mood for Christmas anyway. So, if you have enjoyed looking at these packages with me, then a thumbs up is always very much appreciated. Yeah, do let me know in the comments what you think. I know it's a lot of money, but yeah, hopefully it will be well worth it. And as I say, when you break it down to £5.50 an item, you think, well, yeah, it's a bit of fun. Hopefully. Okay, yeah, so that's going to be December. At least I'll have something to unbox in December every day. Okay, well, if you want to join our little family and see what we get up to next, see these unboxed or unbagged or opened on a daily basis from the 1st to the 24th of December, if you press that subscribe button down in this corner and then the all notifications bell that pops up, it'll notify you when each video comes out, so you won't miss anything. Millie, what's the matter? Millie has decided her water bowl is empty, so she is giving me a little cry of indignation that she needs some water. So I better wrap this up quickly. Christmas presents, wrapping them up, yay! Oh dear, my sense of humour. Okay, well, thank you ever so much for stopping by, and yay, Christmas is coming. So I do hope to see you all again soon. Take care, everybody, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now. We're going down. Go and get a cup of tea. Yeah, I think we will. Oh, tea. Did that make... Yes, that made you put your tongue out, didn't it? I know what you're after.